In continuation to our PLC automation series, with this video, we will learn about digital input model of the PLC. In my previous video, I have explained about PLC communication model functions, link given in the description box. On screen, you are seeing 32-channel digital input model. Do you know why this is called as a 32-channel digital input card? Because this model is capable to receive digital inputs from 32 field devices. This DI model also supports sourcing and syncing featured inputs. I will explain you what is sourcing and syncing featured inputs. It is very important to understand these two terms. For your understanding about the concept of sourcing and syncing, here I will take the example of 8-channel digital input model. This 8-channel digital input card consists of 8 channels to receive the input from field devices and one common, that is 0-volt terminal. From power source, we will connect negative to common terminal and we will connect positive to input device, and from there we will extend it to channel number 1 of the input model. Now switch will close. Current will flow from channel number 1 to common terminal in this way. This is called sourcing input. Here digital input is sourcing the current to the channel of this model. Now for the same model, we will understand the syncing concept. From power source, we will connect positive terminal to the common terminal and we will connect negative to input device, and from there we will extend it to channel number of the input model. Now switch will close. Current will flow from common to channel number 1 terminal in this way. This is called syncing input. Here digital input is syncing current from the channel of the model. Now let's back to the 32-channel digital input model which we are discussing about. This DI model will fix on the I/O terminal unit. 32 inputs are grouped into 4 groups of 8 channels, with each having a common connection. Now let's understand detailed wiring of this model. As I have already said about this model, will fit on I/O terminal unit. Its I/O terminal unit consists of 36 number of terminal blocks. Out of these 36 TBs, 32 are digital input channel and remaining 4 are common connection. First, I will explain you wiring diagram of the single digital input model. Assume that we have a SMPS as a power supply source to this model and limit switch as a field device. Negative supply of this SMPS will be connected to model's common point like this, and positive supply will be connected to limit switch contact like this. When limit switch acts, supply will fed to the connected channel of the input model. Here we have connected it to channel number 1, hence its green light is on. Similarly, other channels can be connected to required field instruments. If you want to know about limit switches, link given in description box. Now, we may think that only one common can be given for all 32 channels, but why they have divided 32 channels in 4 groups with 4 common terminals? If we have a single common terminal for all 32 channels, supply needs to be provided from only one source. If we have 4 groups of 32 channels with 4 common points, supply can be fed to model from various sources. For example, we can connect 24 DC 2-wire proximity switch can be connected to this model like this. Similarly, for the same model, we can connect 110 volt AC 2-wire proximity switch like this. This becomes advantage of this type of model. If you want to know about proximity switches, I have given link in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Keep learning, stay updated.